Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mir Khalid Ali, commonly called as Dr. Khalid. I am a consultant in critical care, as well as I am become glad to inform you that I've become a medical director here at Germantown Hospital. As you might be knowing, this is quite a familiar name nowadays in this part of Hyderabad, especially in the Attapur region. That with sustained and serious efforts of Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, with all his practice into place, this hospital of late has really attained the name of one of the best orthopedic centers in South India, and it has become a name to reckon with in this part of Hyderabad. And we see a massive footfall of patients benefiting with his expertise and with his big team of orthopedic surgeons. Now, going forward with the kind of establishment that he has done over here, moving forward, I would like to announce in a very, very, big way that we have finally come to a point where we are diversifying our hospital, Germantown Hospital, into a multi-speciality unit. Naming to begin with, we are launching our cardiology services with state-of-the-art cath lab with a dual tube, and that will be a matter of time. Maybe in a couple of months, we'll be having a massive inauguration at Germantown Hospital. I would like to announce this to this area and the adjoining areas and the adjacent areas. Please come and avail our services, and we make sure that we give you 24/7 cardiac coverage with a very competent team of cardiologists, and they will be very soon announced that it will be a 24/7 coverage with in-house complete set of cardiac services. And to enhance our patients' cardiac experience, we will be also coming up with cardiovascular services as well as cardiothoracic services with a very prominent cardiac backup team for cardiac sciences. So that will be more of a cardiac sciences department that includes cardiology as well as cardiac. Apart from this, we've also, as we are going forward, we are all attaching our allied specialties like nephrology, surgical gastroenterology, medical gastroenterology. Then we have a physician services 24/7, pulmonology, critical care, ICU. As I am into critical care for the last about 18, 19 years, I've continued to render my services into critical care with my complete team, qualified critical care physicians available round the clock, providing advanced critical care to all sorts of patients. And we have, let me back up my statements, with about a 26-bedded ICU that includes a cardiac ICU as well as a medical ICU as well as our neuro ICU. So we are now geared up to handle all kinds of emergencies, right, starting from trauma, neurotrauma, road traffic accidents, major MIs, heart attacks, right, all kinds. This hospital is now proudly associated with the best of the doctors in and around Hyderabad, and we are quite proud to announce that we are in a state where we can handle any sort of emergency with our expert panel of doctors. Thank you very much for listening to me, and this will be a pleasure to have you on board whenever we can provide you services. We wish you all the best for your best of health. Please take care of your health. See to it that you don't require us, and in case if something goes wrong, we are here to help you in this area and provide you with the best of services. Thank you so much.
Germantown.